This multi-purpose spatula is designed to work directly with the KitchenAid blender. The narrow design allows you to reach all the way to the bottom on the blender carafe. Crafted from durable, blended nylon with a slip-resistant silicone overlay and finished with traditional KitchenAid accents. Smooth edges won't scratch, safe to use on all types cookware, including nonstick. Heat resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 232 degrees Celsius, dishwasher safe for quick and easy clean-up. This blender spatula was designed to work directly with the KitchenAid blender. Featuring an all-silicone construction, the extra long-angled head reaches the bottom of the blender pitcher while conforming to the shape of the walls to scrape and remove all foods. This blender spatula also functions as a traditional jar and icing spatula. Dishwasher safe. 1 year hassle-free replacement and lifetime limited. For 1 year from date of purchase, under normal use and care, KitchenAid will replace these products free of charge, if they are found to be defective in material or workmanship. In addition, from year 2 through the life of the products, any piece found to be defective under conditions of normal use and care will be repaired at no charge or replaced with the same item or an item of equal or better value. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. I have a cat that is on a special diet. He is also a very picky eater. He only likes liquidy foods when it comes to his wet food. No, it's not his teeth, he is just that picky. I have had to blend his wet food to get him to finish it, and he had to finish his food because there is medicine mixed in it. Well, when I blend it, there is a ton left over in the blender cup. It is very expensive prescription food. I would have to stick my hand inside with a spoon to try and drag as much out as I could. My hand would be so gross afterwards, along with a ton of food left in there still. I came on Amazon to look for a regular silicone spatula, then came across this. It works better than I thought. Without even trying, it got 98% of the leftover food out of the cup. The pictures I am posting are literally seconds after trying it for the first time, giving it one quick swipe around the perimeter. I can't imagine if I put a little effort into it.